Hello, my name is Ian Peterman with Peterman Design Firm, and I'm here with Ikie Corbin, Whirtle. And we're here to talk about a project we've been working on for the last year in developing a new racket game for him. And Ikie.
Okay, well, Whirtle was a project that I started on back when I used to play professional basketball. I was looking for a different way to cross train in the summertime. So that's how I had a small tennis court. So my balls kept flying over the fence. And I was looking, got a couple different rackets and balls and everything. And I finally came up with my little first prototype. Started trying to produce it about, I guess, 4 or 5 years ago now. And my first prototype came out a little heavy. Wasn't really sure. So that's when one of my score counselors, I think he received an email or something from you about taking on projects. So he said, Ikie, you should contact this Peterman design firm. And so I did. I knew you were on the right path. Was my previous designers missed that little piece in the middle of the racket, if you recall. And you said that this racket would not work without that little center piece. So right then I knew that this guy knows what he's doing. And I've been kind of going the wrong direction for a couple of years. So I'm glad that we finally pulled into Peterman Design's workshop, and everything's going smooth.
Awesome. And we're almost to the prototype, and you're working on getting it into stores, right?
Whirtle is a slower game. It's slower than tennis. So my main objective is to get kids up and moving again. You know, there's no excuse when the game is slower than you, because there's a softer ball, the racket flexes, and so looking forward to getting that game finally developed. I work at the recreational centers in 2 places here, so basically taking it to those.
It's been a pleasure working with you on the project. It's been really fun. Even seeing you play with the older prototype, it was great seeing that it actually the idea works. Definitely looking forward to finishing launching this for you, and hopefully some of your other product ideas really get out there and we can get you going on those.
Oh yeah, we're definitely going to get this going. It's so close. I know with you guys that you have a grip on what I need to do, because how we change the inside of the racket, I never thought of that, So, and it only makes sense. And when I kind of presented my idea to a couple of investors, they was like, "Your idea is not novel." But then the way you saw it, now it is a novel idea. You can't just go around bending rackets, Ikie. That's not novel. So your idea of how to change that concept, now they want to see it. So now we just need to press forward and be ready for the market. Yeah.
Awesome. Well, that is always exciting for me to hear it. We're pushing things in the right direction and getting the interest that we actually need to get a product launched. So yeah, I guess, is there anything else you wanted to add about the process? Is there a specific part of it that you really enjoyed the most with working, or?
To be so far away, the communication that we had has been great. So, of course, I would love to be next door so I can knock on the door every day and bother you. But being the distance that we have, you still feel like it's just a matter of time before we get this together, because your communication, your drawings, your knowledge of that area, I know that this is going to turn out right. So I'm just excited to keep this process going. Entrepreneur life is not an easy life. Like I said, I have 2 other jobs that I have to keep going to fund this. But in the end, Whirtle will be there. Thanks to you guys.
Awesome. Well, Ikie, thank you so much for taking the time to chat with me. I really appreciate it, and look forward to continuing to work with you on your projects.
Not a problem, Ian. And like I said, we'll keep in touch. We'll keep it going.